Hey everybody, this is Dave Blair. Today is August 8th of 2026. I'm out on my KTM 390 Enduro R, and it's supposed to be 111 degrees today in Phoenix. And today we're going to head out to Horseshoe Lake, and I'm not sure if we're going to go to the dam or not, but I want to look for, there's a water crossing, which is a shortcut to Sheep's Bridge. If the water is low enough, we might give that water crossing a try today. If they're releasing water over the dam, it might be too deep. And then if that's the case, we'll probably do something else. We may ride down to the dam or something like that. But yeah, it's 5:30 in the morning, and I'm meeting my friend Dave. He's going with me. I'm not sure what he's riding, but my guess would be his KTM 690 Enduro R. All right, so it's 6:07, and we are turning on Bartlett Dam Road right now. This goes down to Horseshoe Lake Dam Road, and Dave's pulling wheelies. Wow, look at that. All right, this is Horseshoe Dam Road, another dam road. And we're looking for mile marker 8. Yeah, mile marker 8 is supposed to have a trail that takes you to Sheep's Bridge without going under the dam. Jeep out here doing Jeep things. All right, pit stop. All right, so this is St. Clair OHV area right here, and yeah, my shield is covered in bugs right now. We turned on this road and it's like a bunch of mosquitoes or gnats or something. Anyway, the joys of riding out in the middle of the desert. All right, pavement ends. Let me switch up my ride mode. There we go, off-road. See, that's how you do it. I didn't even have to stop. Just close the throttle and I switched my ride mode. Now my ABS is off. Traction control is off. So simple. And if I turn the key off, the bike stays in the mode that I left it in. Oh, we're heading into the sun. All right, put my sun visor down. Again, we have no idea what we're going to find. Dave's not been back there either. Last time he went to Sheep's Bridge, he went under the dam. Which can be done on a motorcycle, but yeah, this is the way the Jeeps get out to Sheep Bridge, by going through the water. Anyway, we're gonna check it out. It does look like they plow this road from time to time, though. But it is pretty sandy. Dusty. Yeah, when the sun hits it, you can really see how much dust a vehicle puts up. Now, when I'm doing technical off-road stuff, I don't put my sun-shaded visor down, because when it's down, it's harder to see, you know, rocks or dips in the road. Yeah, it's better to go without any sunglasses or tinted visor when you're doing hard off-road. That sun is just brutal when you're heading straight into it, and this helmet doesn't have a peak. I haven't seen any mile markers. But again, it was told to me that it was mile marker 8, and there's a sign right there where the trail splits off, so I don't know. The reason we're coming out to explore, the reason I'm coming out to explore this, is because this could be a future ride where, you know, you go out this way to Sheep's Bridge and then come back the long way through Bloody Basin Road. And that would be a great off-road loop, in my opinion. The other challenge, though, is getting from this side up to the Sheep's Bridge, so that you can go over the water. That's the tricky part. I'm not even sure I could get up it. I've seen other people do it, but they're on like motocross bikes. I mean, they have even more ground clearance than I do. Ooh, this looks sandy. I still get nervous in sand. Again, it just like it pulls at your front tire. If you've ever experienced it, you know what I'm talking about. But if you haven't, then just trust me, it's unsettling. Yeah, this is really sandy, and it's pulling my tire. Ugh, hate that. And then when you slow down, it makes it even worse. You got to trust the science. Yeah, this is dancing all over. In theory, though, I mean, if you're going fast enough, the bike will straighten itself out, but it's still, you just got to let it dance through this stuff. All right, there's mile marker 6, so there are mile markers. That's the first one I've seen. I was actually looking for them on the right side of the road. I wasn't expecting one to be on the left, but yeah, I think they got the number on both sides, so we should be about 2 miles away from where we want to cut off this. Whoa, that was deep. Yeah, the whole bike just tucked. I thought I saw a mile marker 7 back there. And again, it was on the left side. Oh, that was hard. I don't know what that was. It was like a... Ow. I don't know if that was a rock. It looked almost like it was a tube. Almost like there was a pipe under the road or something. It was... Ow, that hurt. Wait, is that it? I think that was it. No. I have this DMD 2 navigation. And I found out how to plot on it, so look at this, it's coming up still. Yeah, it should be right here. Yep, there's Dave. Yep, there's mile marker 8. All right, this is uncharted territory for us. So it's a little steep down here, but it's not too bad. There's a campsite right there. Alright, I can smell the water. It's getting rocky here. This is River Rock. It's like a cobblestone road. Whoa. Almost dropped it. Holy smokes. Alright, gotta feather the clutch a little bit here. Which way did he go? Oh, he went left. Alright, hold on a minute. I don't know. I think we're supposed to go right here. Yeah, this is another thing they said. It gets confusing down here because so many people have made their own path. Oh, there's the water. Yeah, it's showing me to go this way. It's showing me to go that way. Is it right there?
Yeah, it's not very big.
Okay.
I don't know if that's even it, but there is one.
Well, there's here. Look,
There's another road that went the other way. Are we on the right side or should we have gone right then?
it says to go that. Yeah.
That's finished. That looks like a statue that's going to be there. That doesn't look like a road.
Yeah. Well, they say let's go to that one.
There's another one right there.
Yeah, they said that there's a whole bunch.
This one is
Oh.
go look.
Okay. Yeah, so this is what we wanted to see is yeah, so when you get down in here, there's a whole bunch of branching directions. Okay. All right, let's stop here for a minute. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of different branching directions, and again,
I'm not going to say that the river isn't on the other side.
if you take this one, you might have to cross something again, but we're going to take a look. Okay, that's really deep right there. That would more than put half this motorcycle, even though it's not very far across, but it's really deep. It's probably about 4 foot in that one section. All right, where did I think? I think he went this way. Almost dropped it. And this is rocky. It's a lot like a cobblestone road though. Yeah, I think this is the way we want. I hope Dave went this way. All right. That looks interesting over there, but doesn't look like there's any way through. I'm not sure where he went. But regardless, you get down here and then you can kind of follow the bank around. Of course, we all have earplugs in. Huh. Oh, yeah. Huh. All right, let me check it out. I lost Dave. Huh. Yeah. I think there's a way across there. I hear Dave. I don't see him though. All right, let me find Dave. All right. I did not find Dave yet. I'm heading back towards the main trail we came in on. I hope. This is a lot of rock. I can barely ride this stuff. Yeah, when the water's really flowing, I'm sure this is all underwater. Oh my gosh. All right. Looks like the main trail. I don't know. I don't know where he went. I don't even know where I am. I think this is the road we came in on. I'm gonna go back to where we turned off the main road. Hopefully he's out. Yep, there's a campsite. Whoa. Alright. Alright, that was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. And again, there's a way to check when they're releasing water. I'm going to try them on my phone. It's starting to get hot. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, I heard them down here, a minute ago. I still haven't found Dave. It's getting hot. It's almost 7 o'clock. I went back up. There's Dave. Alright, we're going to give this one more try down this path here. He's got it on his navigation. And, oh my gosh, these bugs are terrible. Hey, I'm going to go. Yeah, these bugs are ridiculous. Oh. Yeah, getting separated sucks. It's just a waste of time, and it's like, oh yeah, go back to the, oh, this is just a turnaround. Sandy wanted that. You want to try that down there? No. Yeah, see, this is telling me that we're off too. Yeah. Hey. Yeah, let's just go home. I'm hot. Okay. Or do you want to go down to the dam? We're almost there. We can go to the dam and come back.
Yeah, we're just close.
All right. Yeah. See, we'll see if the water's flowing. Okay. Man, this is deep sand. Okay. So there is a website that lets you know when they're releasing water in the dam. I didn't look at it, so I have no clue. So we're going to go down and look at it. And if there's water flowing over the dam, that would probably mean that it's too deep for us to cross on motorcycles. In theory, anyway. Now this is a good crossing place because this is where the stream separates into several smaller streams. So in theory, if you have a big body of water that's spread out, it's not going to be as deep. Yeah, see, there's the ranch that we're trying to come in the back of by crossing there. And this whole area is marshy down there. All right. What time is it? 7:04. It's probably 100 degrees already. Whoa. See, now this looks like deep sand, but it didn't tug on my tire at all. Huh. There you can see the water really good. Somebody out there fishing too. Yeah, that's really deep. But that's what I'm saying, like that amount of water gets spread out, and then it's easier to cross. When it's all spread out, it's not as deep. So in theory anyway. Well, let's go up to the dam and see if they're releasing water. It actually feels good when you're going, 35 miles an hour. But I'm starting to sweat. So when somebody in your party gets lost, does that make it more of an adventure? I think it does. See, Dave thinks I was lost, and I think Dave was lost. But either way, yeah, either way, we're back together. So that's all that matters. There's mile marker 9. That's a good wheelie. That's a hell of a bike he's got there too, the 690. And again, it's a 2023, and it barely, it was still brand new. I had less than 100 miles on it or something when he bought it. And yeah, he's got a pipe on it. He's done some work to it. He's improved it a lot from stock. It's got a lot more horsepower than I do. But again, that bike's like twice the cost of this one. Yeah, so this would be an incredible loop all the way around, but still got to do something about the Sheep's Bridge. Getting up from this side, it's very steep and rocky and narrow. But again, I think, I don't know, maybe if put in some manual labor and put some rocks down to even that out, maybe it'd be an easier ramp to get up and down, but that'd be a lot of work too. All right, here's the turn off. Yep. Okay. I guess we're not going to turn off yet. Yeah, this is the way to go to the front of the dam. Still want to see if there's any water coming over it. Yeah. There's the tower up there that we always look down from there at Horseshoe Lake. Well, some people out here fishing. Oh, Dave wants to do a wheelie up here, I can tell. Yep. Alright. Alright, let's see what we got. Ah. That's better. Shenanigans. Yeah, very few people back here. Kind of cool. Good spot for a picnic. Somebody had a little fire there too. Well, that's really steep, rocky drop-offs there. It looks like you could jump in the water from there too. Yeah, this is one of those places you'd want to come with like a paddle board or a kayak, something like that, small. You're not allowed to have motorized vehicles on this lake. Probably don't want you to contaminate the water supply. This is steep. All right, now we're going to go to the dam. Well, I mean, I saw what I wanted to see, and again, I have a feeling that there's going to be water coming over the dam. But even if there's not, we did have a rainstorm. I want to say a couple days ago, and yeah, just from any rain that we get, it would probably make that impassable for motorcycles where we just were. We're gonna do a little more exploring. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, I have, with the bags on this bike, I don't think I can go behind the dam. I don't think I'm going to fit. Because it is tight. You have to make a 90-degree corner, and it's pretty tight. All right. Let's see. No water. Huh. All right. Well, that answers that question then. All right. We're going to take a little break here. We'll be right back. All right. So I was actually shocked that there was no water. But again, we did have some rain. I don't know. That's pretty much the only place I can think of to cross without going behind the dam. And like Dave said, he went behind the dam, and the bags on the back, he said, yeah, when he went, there were no bags, and he said it was still tight with his handlebars. So, yeah, unfortunately, for motorcyclists, we don't have a whole lot of options for crossing that Verde River. Of course, they'd like to go on both sides. And what are we looking at? Anyway. Yeah, that Verde River's a problem sometimes. Although, to be honest, I mean, we have lots of trails on both sides. Yeah, there's the tower up there. Been up there many times. All right, so it's 7:43. We're gonna head home. This is a good ride. That goes down to a campground, I think. Although I've never been down there either, but I'm pretty sure it goes to a campground. Not sure if that lens is clean or not. Oh, feels good. Get some airflow. Alright, I guess I can turn my music on. I got my phone, I got my wallet. I always have to check that stuff. Alright, music time.
Leather jacket, silver hair. Still got dreams and still don't care. Highway stretching out ahead. No room left for fear instead. Stealing, smoking gasoline. Living life somewhere between heaven's mercy and devil's games. Still answering freedom's name. Still and smoking memories. The road's the only thing I need. No chains and no disguise. Just open roads and endless skies. Still and smoking southern songs. Help this old outlaw carry on. Till the stars no longer shine. This rebel life is mine. Seen some losses, seen some pain. Still I'd do it all again. 'Cause every mile and every scar made me who I really are. When the final sunset glows and it's finally ain't time to go. Save a place beyond the sky for one more behind the bar, hall is lined beneath the stars. Southern girls and outlaw men ready to raise hell again. Old blues guitar fills the air, smoking memories everywhere. Life ain't perfect, never was, but tonight ain't about because whiskey and wildfire burning higher and higher. Freedom's calling out my name and I ain't ever gonna change. Whiskey and wildfire, engines screaming like a choir. Raise those glasses to the sky tonight. We're living before we die. Before we die. Roadside angels and neon lights, long lost dreams on Friday nights. Every mile, every scar made us who we really are. The preacher says time moves fast, so make damn sure your memories last. 'Cause one day all that's left behind are stories written by time. Whiskey and wildfire, still chasing our desires till the Lord says it's goodbye. We'll keep raising hell tonight. trouble most of my life. Lost good women, lost some fights, made mistakes I can't erase. Still see them written on my face, but I ain't hiding from the truth. I've paid my dues since my youth, and every scar that I possess made me stronger through the mess. The devil knows my name, but Jesus knows it too. I walked through hell in the rain and somehow made it through. The devil knows my name, but he don't own my soul, 'cause freedom and redemption are worth more than gold. There's a Bible tucked beneath my seat, beside old whiskey and memories. I ain't a saint and never will be, just a sinner trying to be free. When the final trumpet sounds and my wheels leave the ground, I hope heaven lets me in to ride with my old friends again. Has set me free. No matter where I roam, the Lord still rides with me. Bikes lined up beneath the stars, old jukebox playing Leonard Skinner songs, everybody singing along. The bartender smiles and pours another round. Southern souls from every town, no suits and ties, just boots and pride, and brothers standing side by side. Whiskey, chrome, and memories, that's all rebel really needs. A tank of gas and a place to be, out on the road where we're born to be free. Whiskey, chrome, and memories, those old songs still comfort me. Raise them high and let them fly. Tonight we live before we die.
Alright, back into street mode. Alright, so that was Horseshoe Lake. A little disappointed we couldn't find a way through. But that's alright. If you made it this far, thanks for watching.